Hi, I'm Nalini Mahadevan, and we are going to talk about H1Bs and filing H1Bs in this season. Specifically, we are talking about education um, for the foreign employee that you want to retain and recruit in your business. And this video is specifically geared towards employers of cap-based H1B visas coming up this season. As you know, cap-based H1Bs are to be filed on April 2nd and through the 5 days of that week. The USCIS will be accepting that information, those applications. So Mark, today we are talking, since we are doing H1Bs, we've noticed we've actually in the throes of looking at everybody's education. So what's the first thing that you think an employer should look at as far as education is concerned?
I think the most important thing is to make sure that they've got the U.S. bachelor's in order to qualify for a specialized body of knowledge.
Yes, for the H1B, we're eligible for the H1B. So if people have a foreign, if the person you're recruiting has a foreign degree, then what you're saying is that we should get an degree evaluation from an accredited service, and that should, whatever qualification they have, should be the equivalent of a bachelor's degree in the United States.
Right. And
in this area of specialty.
And you probably know more about this, but I know a number of countries, they do things slightly differently, where they do
Yes.
3 years or 5 years, and so there just has to be an evaluation to show that education corresponds to a U.S. bachelor's, a 4-year degree.
So we often get foreign degree holders with master's degrees, and when we go and get them evaluated, they're not always master's degrees because of what you just said, the different number of years required to qualify for certain, either the bachelor's or the master's, correct?
Exactly.
Okay. So what else are we looking for as far as if we want to document the education? What else do we look for?
Well, if it's not in English, we need to make sure we have the translation, and then also looking at the transcripts to make sure that the curriculum matches the position that they're going to be applying for.
Yes, it's a very important point. I mean, Mark I've said this many times to Mark, but we once got an aerospace engineer applying for a position in computer software, and USCIS had a problem with that because they felt aerospace engineers did not know anything about software. It took us several RFE, a couple of RFEs actually in that case, to convince USCIS that was not the case. But so this year we're getting lots of RFEs, or at least last year we got RFEs, and the number of RFEs across the board have apparently gone up more than 75% compared to the year before. So part of our
right. So and you were saying about the aerospace, there is some flexibility if you can show that the education does correspond to the job. But it seems like that flexibility is
being diminished. Yes,
exactly.
It's actually going down. That kind of flexibility is going down. So, as a first rule, looking at education is very invaluable. If you find this information useful and interesting, please do contact our office for your immigration needs. Our office is MLO Law. We are located in Clayton. Our phone number is 314-932-7111 and 314-402-2024. We can be contacted by email, and our website is mlolaw.us, where you can find a lot of information on immigration. Looking forward to hearing from you. Bye-bye.